Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method for your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. The first one is to use a USB-C cable to charge your headphones. So we have at the bottom of charging case the USB-C port, so just connect USB-C cable to this port. We can see a LED light. Can we? Yeah, we can. So it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you want to have is USB-C to USB-C cable right here, or if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging, and that's it. Also, I tested it with wireless charging station, and this headphones doesn't support it. And with reverse charging with using my phone, and it also doesn't support. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.